Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get back your snap streaks in Snapchat. So firstly, open up your Snapchat, then go to your profile at the top left corner, then again click at the setting at the top right corner, then just scroll down until you find support. When you reach support, just click on I need help, and when the support page opens, just search I lost my snap streak. As you can see, there is a first result called I lost my snap streak. Just click on that. Then a new page will open in which it will be written I lost my snap streak and a few details under that. You just need to click on the blue button that says let us know, and a new page will appear in which they will ask what help can they do. You just have to click I lost my snap streak. Then just scroll down until you find a form. Here it is. Just fill up the form like email, phone number, your device which you are using Snapchat, your friend's username, and in this panel you have to explain them exactly what happened, and you have to be as clear as possible. And then after doing this, just press send. And within a few days you will see that your streaks have come back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.